Prabhat classes. Today we will study share and dividend exercise 3a, question number 6 up to question number 5 I have taught you in earlier videos. In question number 6, the question is find the annual income derived from 125 rupees 120 shares paying 5% dividend. Question is very simple. Number of share is given, nominal value is given, percentage dividend is given. You have to find annual income. We have studied the formula that annual income is equal to number of shares into nominal value into percentage dividend. So put the value, you will get the result. Question number 7. In question number 7 it says that a man invests rupees 3072 in a company paying 5% per annum when its rupees 10 share can be bought for rupees 16 each. Find his annual income, his percentage income on his investment. So in this question we have given investment, that is 3072 rupees. Percentage dividend is given 5%. Nominal value of one share is given rupees 10. Market value of one share is given rupees 16. First we will find number of shares. Therefore, number of shares is equal to investment by market value, that is 3072 divided by 16. Dividing you will get 192. After this we can find number 1. First one we have to find annual income, that is equal to, we know the formula, number of shares into nominal value into percentage dividend. Put the value, number of share is 192, nominal value of each share is 10 into dividend is 5%. ₹96. Second one, we have to find his percentage income. Percentage income is equal to income of the percent divided by investment into 100. Total income is 96 rupees divided by total investment was 3072 into 100. Divide and get the value in percentage. Question number 8. A man invests rupees 7770 in a company paying 5% dividend when a share of nominal value rupees 100 sells at a premium of rupees 5. At a premium means market value will be equal to 100 plus premium, that is 105. Other than that, the question is same as question number 7. So you will do as I have done in question number 7. Now in question number 8, a man buys rupees 50 shares of a company paying 12% dividend at a premium of rupees 10. Find the market value of 320 shares, his annual income, his profit percent. Question is same as question number 8. I think there is no doubt. If you have doubt, comment me in the box. I will solve it. Now question number 10. A man buys rupees 75 shares at a discount of rupees 15. Here discount is given, so nominal value will decrease, market value will decrease, that is equal to nominal value minus discount. So question number 10 I am doing for you. Given is a man buys 75, nominal value of share is 75, discount is given, discount is equal to rupees 10. So market value of each share will be equal to 75 minus 10, that is 65. paying 20% dividend. Percentage dividend is equal to 20%. The market value of 120 shares. Question 1 is very easy. MV of 120 share is equal to 120 into market value of 1 share. Multiply it, you will get. Second one, his annual income. Annual income will be, annual income is equal to number of shares into nominal value into percentage dividend. Put the value. Nominal value of each share is 75. Number of share is 120 into percentage dividend is 10. Solve it, you will get the answer. Third question. Percentage profit is equal to profit, or you can say that income divided by investment into 100. Profit is equal to the annual income. Annual income divided investment will be market value of 120 shares into 100. Solve the question, you will get the answer. Then question number 11. A man has 300 rupees 50 shares of a company paying 20% dividend. Find his net income after paying 3% income tax. Question is nothing, simple. Find the dividend. He has to pay 3% income tax. Solve the questions. You can do it. Question number 12. A company pays a dividend of rupees 15 on its 10 rupee shares for which it deducts income tax at the rate of 22%. Find the annual income of the man who owns 1000 share of this company. So 11 and 12 is same, so I am solving question number 12. It is same as question number 11. So question number 12 we can solve it like this. A company pays a dividend of 15%. Percentage dividend is given 15% on its 10 rupees share. Nominal value is given rupees 10. It deducts income tax of income. Percentage income tax is given 10%, 22%. 22%. Find the annual income of the man who owns 1000 shares. Number of shares is equal to 1000. We have to find the annual income. So here market value, nominal value is given, this is given, dividend is given. Therefore annual income is equal to number of shares into nominal value into percentage dividend, that is nominal value. Number of share is 1000 into nominal value is 10 into 15%. 1500. In 1500 he has to pay income tax. So income tax on income is equal to 1500. We can write 22% of 1500, that is 22 by 100 into 15. 330 rupees he has paid as income tax. Therefore net income is equal to annual income minus income tax, that is 1500 minus 330. Subtract it, you will get the answer. Now question number 13. Question number 13. A man invests rupees 8,800 in buying shares of a company of face value of rupees 100 each at a premium of 10%. If he earns rupees 1200 at the end of the year as dividend, find the number of shares he has in the company, the dividend percent per share. In this investment is given, nominal value is given, market value is given, find the number of shares, then you will get the dividend. Question number 14. A man invests rupees 1680 in buying shares of nominal value 24 and selling at 12% premium. 12% premium means the market value will increase by 12% of 24. The dividend on the share is 15% per annum. Calculate the number of shares and dividend he receives annually. So question is same as question number 13. By investing, come to question number 15. By investing rupees 7500 in a company paying 10% dividend, an annual income of rupees 500 is received. What price is paid for each of rupees 100 shares? This question I am doing for you. By investing rupees, investment is given rupees 7500, percentage dividend is given 10%, annual income is 500. In this also you will see. Thank you for watching my video. Like and share my video.